Kuqhambuke umlilo izolo kumzi mveliso eFordsburg noye watshabalalisa yonke into ibingaphakathi. Umsi busabonakala ngalentsasa emva kokuba abacimi mlilo bekwazile ukuwucima lo mlilo emva kweeyure. Abahlali bathi bebesoyikisela ubomi babo, bathi abacimi mlilo bathathe ixesha ukuwuthomalalisa lo mlilo.
It was terrible, horrible. We're really saying we are right in the CBD. How can the fire brigade fail to stop such a small fire? Yeah, in the middle of the Johannesburg. We are really worried about that because they're only reacting now or later.
Kukholeleka ukuba lo mlilo udalwe ngumsebenzi wokulungiswa kwelift kulo mzi mveliso.
We just live here around the corner here. You see, when we coming from our shop, not from work, so we just seen the smoke here. So when we were coming here, so we just have a look here. So it was catching a fire.
Abenkonzo ezingxamisekileyo bathi baza kuqhuba uphando.
We would do preliminary investigations of what had caused the fire after we're done with firefighting. Fortunately, we did not have any injuries or fatalities reported. When we arrived, we had to make sure with the people that store their materials at this building that there was no one that was staying inside the building, and also the residential areas. So we had to look around and ensure that everyone was safe and their buildings are not affected.
Akho mntu wonzakeleyo kulo mlilo.